Worldwide with a T and R. Worldwide with a T and R.
Tap in, get it, and what you feeding, my friends. Tap in, get it, and what you feeding.
3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, quick room tour. Terraza balcony, 7500 Ave. Let's check it out. When you walk in, of course, you gotta have something here. You wanna keep the light on and the power to the vanity. Just behind the door, safety instructions. You got 3 hooks for whatever you may like. Let's go here first. You have the closet. You do have complimentary robes for the occasion. Let's see here. You got your closet number 2, space up and down. You have your safety vest. You have your safe. And then you have 3 little drawers here for whatever you may like to put there. Let's see here, you have your vanity and shelving for your snacks, for your speaker, for whatever. You have your phone in the back there. You have your plugs, your little chair under here, you know. Then you got your little refrigerator. Then you got your 2 complimentary bottles with the 2 glasses, you know, whatever the case may be. In this particular room, we do have the little couch here. You see the day 1, day 2 towel animals, and today we have, you already see it, king bed. Can be converted to 2 twins, but you know, why do all that? And this also lets out to a bed with a little table, whatnot, you know, the remote, TV. You actually see the balcony over that way, which I'll take you there in a minute. Here's the bathroom. You guys got to be careful. See that step? If you drunk, not paying attention, you will fall and bust shell. You know what? Got the plexiglass over here, the toilet, the normal for your toiletries. You know, you see the vanity right there. The sink could have been a little bit more wider, but it is what it is. You got 2 different sides there, so there's a quick little thing there. Let's head out to the balcony. Also, once again, you gotta watch your step, because you know you gotta step up and step out. Have a little seating in the window or whatever. Out here, this extended balcony came with 2 chairs and a lounge chair and a little table, minus the Corona. Check out the view. Just take it all in, you guys. Take it all in. Take it all in. All right. Here's the Terraza deck down there. Deck 5 is only exclusive to those booked in one of the rooms for certain hours. That's the bottom. Let's take a look upstairs. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed. Any questions or concerns, hit us up.